back viewers to your own channel, that is AK Services, and in this video we will gonna be talking about how you can get your first order on Fiverr. So I will be going to share you some tips regarding this, and most of you people are suffering from tension that how you can get your first order on Fiverr. So by following these tips that I will be going to share in this video, you will 100% get your first order on Fiverr. So we will gonna start with the first trick, that is you can ask anyone to give you order on Fiverr, and you have to pay them for what your order is all about and your gig. So in this method you have to be sure that the person is using another PC, because these you have to keep in mind some of the rules of Fiverr, that you cannot use same IP, that means same internet and same laptop or device. So the other person from other laptop, other internet and other card as well. Both the buyer and seller cannot use the same card, so keep this in mind as well. So that person has to send you some messages and then order you on your gig. So after that, you have, when you finish your work and send that work to your friend on Fiverr, so your first order will be completed, and ask them to give you 5-star rating. Once you get your 5-star rating, first 5-star rating, so your account will automatically be ranked up on Fiverr, and you will soon notice that customers will going to contact you for other orders. All you need to do is just one order to rank your gig up. So the second order is that you have to, the second trick is that you have to use Facebook or social media, and then you have to join groups of Fiverr on the Facebook, and from there you have to make a post about what skills you have and share your profile link of Fiverr over there. So what will happen, people will trying to reach you, and then make sure to tell them that do send you orders on Fiverr. So with this second trick, you also get local clients on social media as well and on Fiverr as well. So third technique is that I will not recommend this trick, because it's similar to first trick, that you will hire a friend, relative or someone to order you gig. I will not recommend this trick, because this trick sometimes make your account deactivated, because Fiverr algorithms are so much clever to detect you. So what you have to do is you can do it on yourself as well, or hire someone else to make another account and with other internet, other device, send you an order and then give you a rating with a 5-star review. So I will not recommend this trick, because this trick sometimes make you exhausted, because if you invest already and after that also you not get any other order, so you will get exhausted. So only do if you fail on the other two skills that I have mentioned, the skill 1 and skill 2. If you fail on those skills, so only try that third skill, so to get your first sale. So I hope you like this video, and also use social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, Tumblr and other platforms, as Instagram, to share your gig. So you will get more impressions, clicks and views, so your gig will rank up. But you have to get your first order. By following these tricks, you will 100% guaranteed you will get other orders as well. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly I request you all who are watching my videos, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any query regarding Fiverr and orders, you can comment below. I will surely answer all of your comments. So like and share this video with others so others will get benefit from it. Hope you enjoy my video. Stay tuned for other more upcoming and interesting videos. Till then, goodbye.